Good morning! So ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang part 2 ng grade 5 lesson, week 7. Tungkol sa solving multi-step word problem. Sige, let's try to read again the problem here. Aling Nena prepare food for the incoming fiesta in their barrio. She allotted budget of 3,500 for the food. She allots 4,700 for the vegetables and 2,700 for fish, and the rest is for meat. How much money will she spend for vegetables, fish, and meat? So, isa-solve natin yung problem this time gamit ang step na ito. So the first thing we're going to do is to look for what is asked. Ano ang tanong dito? So maliwanag na ang tinatanong dito ay ang tungkol sa amount she spent for vegetables, for fish, and for meat. Magkano ang kanyang magagastos sa pamimili ng gulay, isda, at ng karne. So, ito yung tinatawag na asks. So, the next thing we're going to do is to find out what are the given facts. So, this one, what are the given facts? Sabi nga natin, ang given facts sa mga problem ay yung mga numbers na importante o may relasyon sa katanungan. So, what are those? Consider natin dito ang given facts na yung budget na 3,500 pesos, yung 4,700 na for vegetables, at yung 2,700 for the fish. So, ngayon, dito, meron tayong unknown. O ito yung katanungan na naka-hide. This is the hidden question that we're going to look for. Ito yung amount for the meat. Magkano o gaano kadami ang maiaalat ni Aling Nena for buying the meat. So, ito siya. So, these are the given facts. In order for us to solve the hidden problem, we're going to solve for the unknown first. Alamin natin yung nawawala. So, una, meron tayong 4,700 for vegetable. I-add mo yung 2,700 for the fish. So, gaano kadami lahat yon? So, this will give you an answer of 6/7. 6/7. So, ngayon, dahil yung 3,500 ay nagsisignify ng isang kabuuan, ito ay sa fraction is equivalent to 7/7 or equals to 1. Minus yung 6/7 na para sa vegetable at para sa fish. So, ang natira ay yung 1/7 na this is for meat. This is the allocation para sa meat. This is the unknown, 1/7. So, how are we going to solve it? Using model. So, I have here the model for this. Okay, look at this properly. Okay, so the figure here is divided into 7, which is, it represents the entire amount allotted for the fiesta budget, which is 3,500 pesos. So, this is divided into 7 equal parts. If you divide this into 7, 3,500 divided by 7, each part will receive 500 pesos. So, for the vegetable, you are going to get 4 parts of it. So, 4 parts. Then, for the fish, you will get 2 parts of that. And the rest will be the meat. So, how much? So, you are going to add the amount. So if you look at the figure, the vegetable will, okay, for the vegetable, it will give you an amount of 2,000 pesos. And for the fish is 1,000 pesos, 2 parts of that. And the last part, which is 1,700, is for the meat, which is 500 pesos. So if you are going to look at this will be the model. So how are you going to solve it? Okay, in order for you to solve this using fraction is you divide 3,500 pesos divided by 7 times 4 parts. It will give you the same answer of 2,000 pesos for the vegetables. Then this will be 3,500 pesos divided by 7 times 2 for the fish. It will give you 1,000 pesos. And the rest amount is allotted for the meat. So this is how you are going to solve this problem. Okay, I'll give you another example. Actually, this is the example number 1, the problem number 1 in our module, week 7. So I will read first the problem. Ruben can paint 6 1/2 square meters per hour. At the same rate, how many meters can he paint in 2.5 hours? So this is our problem. So how are you going to solve that? So the first thing we're going to do is to find what is asked. What is asked in this problem? Of course, ang tinatanong dito ay yung number of square meters he can paint or Ruben can paint for 2.5 hours. So yun ang ating aalamin kung gaano kalaki or how many square meters ang kanyang mapipintahan for 2.5 hours. For the given, so ang given natin dito ay yung problem dito, ay yung mga numbers sa problem. So what are those? So meron tayo ditong 6.5 square meters per hour at yung 2.5 hours. So yung dami ng kanyang napipaint per hour at kung gaano ka laki ang mapipintan niya in 2.5 hours. That is, or that are the given facts. So how are you going to solve that? So yung 6.5 times 2.5. So you multiply. It involves multiplication. So this is a mixed fraction multiplied by another mixed fraction. So the first thing you are going to do is to convert or to change mixed fraction into an improper fraction. O, ulitin natin paano nga natin ginagawa yon. So simple. So you have to multiply the 2 times 6 is equals to 12 plus 1 is equals to 13 and copy the same denominator. Okay, same thing you're going to do. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is equals to 5 and copy the same denominator. So this now become 13 over 2 times 5 over 2. Then you proceed to multiplication. O, paano nga natin ginagawa ulit? Ang pag-multiply ng fraction. Okay, tandaan, just multiply the numerator by the numerator and the denominator by the denominator. So 13 times 5 gives you an answer of 65 and 2 times 2 is equals to 4. So look at your answer. It is an improper fraction. So we can change it to lowest term or to a mixed number. So we have to reduce. How? 65 divided by 4 gives you an answer of 16 and the remainder is 1. So this is 1 serves as your numerator and you copy the same denominator. So this will give you a final answer of 16 and 1/4 square meters. So this is the solution using mathematical processes and how you are going to show this using models. So look at this one. So this picture represents the 2 and 1/2 hours. Each portion represents 1 hour, which is equivalent to 6 and 1/2 square meters. This one is also another 6 and 1/2, so 2 hours. And then here, this is another 6 and 1/2 hours. We are going to get only half of that, kalahati. What is half of 6 and 1/2? So it will give you 3 and 1/4. So then you are going to add the whole number. 6 plus 6 plus the 3 will give 15. And then you add the 1/2. 1/2 plus 1/2 is equals to 1. So you already have 16 square meters. And then the 1/4, it will give you 16 and 1/4 square meters. This is how you are going to make a model in solving multi-step word problem. So, ang tandaan nyo lang parate, the first thing you're going to do is to understand the given problem. And that's it. And again, this is Teacher Grace na nag-iiwan sa inyo ng kasabihang math is life. Ang math ay buhay. Kaya tara na, gawin nating makabuluhan ang ating buhay. Matuto na.